Hey guys, what's up? Shade Electric MX here. Just showing you guys we're just getting ready to go for a rip. Wanted to show you what's going on there, see if you like what you see there. Here's my boy's Gas MXE5. After the one he just crashed on this 1 second ride, broke his arm and his thumb. Now he's coming back for his day back golfers tomorrow. Got my 125 CR 05. Sand tired up, ready for the dunes. We got the admin jet, so this one's getting the CL700. We put two CL700s on this, and we've had the issues. Now we're going with the third, and should be good to go. Hopefully, we'll see. First time was product error. Second time was operator error, and now we're gonna go with the third one and get this bike going again good here with the CL700. See what type of power we can push out of the GB200 motor in this bike. And this is the bike I'm racing here at TKO's. This is the Nikon E-Beast Gen 2 Stalker. It's my boy's 86 CR 125. I just gave him a little cleanup on it, and we're just you're gonna let her rip. This is the little 16-inch little external, like drill battery style, Strider style bikes that we selling like that. And then show you the full Cobras actions for sale, ready to go. So if anybody interested in them, just link me up on there. This one's a custom built one. I got a video on the YouTube with this one. It's 72 volt battery, FAR 300, hub drive on her, so she yanks. This is really fun. I'm using this as a pit bike here. So this is in speed 1, but I'll put it to speed 3. We won't play. Yeah, speed 1 is like good for the kids, right? Still goes. Speed 3. She has got pep. And it's in the middle of the night, but you can still fire up your bike now, which is pretty cool. This is a little Indian bike, which is pretty cool. It's like a Razor one, right? These are some quads that we sell in here. This is 1300 watt. This is 1000 watt. They're pretty sweet for the kids. These ones are in for repairs. Supermoto 511 big bore. And then these are two bikes that we're building up right now. We're just gonna do like that generic QS with a 72 volt. Just like a basic build, so that can sell these if anybody interested in them to purchase them when they're completed. Just let me know and can work you out a pretty good deal on them if you're interested. All right, sure on in for repairs. Got to get her tuned up. These bikes are super convenient for riding around everywhere and getting people riding that never rode before. This bike will be a little bit faster than a Chiron, right? It'll be more like a 72 volt Chiron when it's built up, because yeah, still not sure if we're gonna use the CL300 on this ones or if we're gonna use a FAR 530 on them. So we'll see. You're gonna run the QS V3 like the baby one, and let her rip. Okay, boys. Deuces. Ciao.